Today we're going to show you how to change the key fob battery on your Chevy Malibu. So this will work for Chevy Malibu 2014, Chevy Malibu 2015, and 2016. In order to do this, you need a CR2032 battery, which we've got right here. And then you look on the back of the key fob, and we've got two pieces here. There's a bottom and a top cover. We want to open up the key, and that's going to give us access to this top cover, which can be removed. Usually you can just put your finger down here and pry up on the top cover, and then I like to hold down the bottom cover as well so that it doesn't go with it, and you just flip right there. So all we do is we put our finger in here and we flip that open, and that gives us access to the battery. Once we have access to the battery, we put a little screwdriver or something in there, and that's going to allow you to remove the CR2032 battery. We've got links to those below, so check those out in the description. It's the exact battery that will work for this. We take our new CR2032 battery, which we've got right here, and then we place it into the key fob. And now we just take our cover, we line it up, and all we're going to do is press around it until it all clicks in, and now we are good to go. So that shows you how to replace the battery for your Chevy Malibu 2014, 2015, and 2016 key fob. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.